Oh, you mean people that may don't know, say your favorite Jamaican YouTuber, Yaadman Etan, and right now we're out in the Hope Gardens. We're out for the Jamaica Rum Festival. People, I am particularly excited for this event because this is the first event that Yaadman is covering in Jamaica. You know, say Yaadman, when them come at these events, it's not no normal something. It's not no boring, that type of thing, interacting with the people. Them, you know, say Yaadman is coming with some type of question for bother the people them, forget a little bit of mix up, forget some fun, some nice energy, right? So when they are Rum Fest, what kind of question do you think I can ask the people? Favorite type of liquor? No, that's too boring. How much water them drink in between drink? No, that too boring. We need something a bit more. Rum Festival. How about I ask the people them about a particular drunken experience, right? Their wildest drunken memory, if them can remember, right? Yo, people, we're out in a Jamaica Rum Festival, the thing not gonna normal.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman Etan?
So you see, one of the best things about Rum Festival is the fact that we can get free samples of different types of rums. So we're soon running and interview the people them, but first, we could just enjoy a little bit of the rum them first, alright? Cool. So looking at people, right now, as I say, we're getting free shots, free samples of some rum, alright? Let me see, what did I get? I got the unreserved passion. Let's have some Appleton Estate Reserve blend, some simple syrup passion fruit juice, and a dash of some bitters and garnish, you see me? So, let me see how this tastes. I understand why they give up samples of this, because the sample them strong. Yeah man. The sample them good, me not telling a lie. Alright people, back to the foolishness. Yo people them, I'm there with my brother from another mother, Jordan.
River Jordan.
River Bumbo. River Jordan. Alright. Yo, I know the money. How long have I known you now?
How much we been now? Oh, you can't say age on camera.
I know the money from like grade 3.
Yeah, mustard. Yeah. So like, enough years. More than 10. Alright.
Well, my name is Courtney. On Instagram, Twitter, every social media known as Appleton Papi. But most people know me as a Red Stripe graduate.
We know about Red Stripe, but we're there at Rum Fest right now, right? So I represent, Jamaican rums and all these things. Do you have any favorite type of rum?
But well, as I said, my name on social media is Appleton Papi, so that should give you a clue, Appleton.
You're good dog, like me know say they are wine and that look kind of drink out a little bit. You good?
Boy, no, I'm good, man.
So they build a whole vibe.
Don't worry, dog, I have around ready,
Ratted.
You don't know some white rum are my thing, Yeah, Ray and nephew specifically. Rum fire, gash that. Rum bar, I can drink, but Ray and nephew are my thing. Yeah.
White rum, White rum. Yo, it looks like everybody have a flask because one man they show me Appleton and next man I show him Ray and him nephew. Alright, so Taj, tell me, with their Rum Fest, what's your favorite type of liquor?
The whites, White is right,
Whites is right.
J, Ray, and nephew.
J, Ray, and nephew. That's another point for the whites.
Appleton Special.
Appleton Special.
Me don't really have a favorite, but as long as the rum have a full body, rich kind of taste, so from Cocoa Mania to Signature Blend, May we go with that.
So look here, men of rum, wanna tell me something. You have any drunken stories? What only can talk to me about?
Alright, so basically, flex at this one B house. Liquor there. Tutu's me drunk. I don't remember what happened as a somebody drunk, but I just know say my brother did must have said something about my girl. Him lift me up, throw me on the floor, and I need to just go my yard.
First time I got drunk, I was at my best friend's house. And like, as soon as they hit me, dog, I was like, yo, me need to do some push-ups. I did 50 push-ups, dog. And then as I get up back, my best friend say, yo, dog, you're drunk. I'm saying, no, and he puff my chest, I'm gonna do 50 more push-ups, dog.
Yeah, pass it down. So hold on, so you're one of them active drunk there?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so like high energy and just...
Yeah, man, I'm Money Musk right now, I do the thing right now.
Alright, Money Musk do the thing right now.
Sure, no, dog. You know, sir. Keel over to me look over one street sign. Yeah, man.
Wait, what?
Yeah, man, one street sign, man. It both on them thing there. But you know, life.
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 At least you make it out alive, not
Yeah, man,
true?
we're living.
Alright, yo, people them, this is a reminder. Drink responsibly.
Deaf. Yeah, listen to that.
Well, I kind of remember it and don't remember it at the same time. Cause
Alright,
I
that's
really,
a fun time.
I just know say me there one place, one part, one corner. I enjoy myself.
Yeah.
Next thing I know, I'm there on a bush, on a side, on a party, you see it. So I don't really know to tell you. You see me, I say, I don't really know to tell you fans. I don't really know to tell you. But Jano.
Dog, as me say, another one. Drink responsibly. Alright. Big up yourself, boss.
12 euro appetite.
A man of taste, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. What about you, boss?
Cherry and his nephew them.
Alright, so I've never been drunk personally.
Really?
But yeah, facts.
So you drink responsibly.
Just say I have a tolerance.
You have a tolerance.
Yeah, I have a tolerance.
So do me a favor, looking at the camera and tell the kids to drink responsibly.
Drink responsibly. If you're not 18, don't drink. Orange juice good for you.
Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Remember, say some of them people are foreigner to us. You have to tell them over 21.
Over 21. California, which one?
Like America.
yeah. Alright.
If you're in America,
If you're not over 21, don't drink. No good for you. Whatever.
but in Jamaica, what good you by 18?
No, make sure I take our gun market already, you know, so.
I mean, so Covenant, talk to me. Tell me a drunken story where you remember.
Drunken story, me remember. About 2 years ago, my birthday, we decided say, oh, we're gonna link up a whole drink. We start off with some Appleton, but then it shift to JB, you know?
Yeah.
And then we have a police bridging, and we start drinking first drop. After that, next day we wake up, everybody I try to remember like what happened last night. Everybody missing at least 2 hours out of the night. Police officer can't remember about 12 hours out of him life straight.
So that's all I can remember.
So, me don't remember, but me remember.
How about the time on the feed the rest of man jerk pork?
What? On the what?
Yo, Travis,
you
look at it there.
done that.
One night, me come on and there. We feed the rest of man jerk pork. I tell him, say, oh, what I tell. Me not remember. What him say? Meat it gone. Not chunks. What him say? Some sort of chunks. The man go and taste it. I say, all right, it tastes good. And shell long everything by himself.
Me never have nothing to do with that.
Yo, MSNO, drink responsibly because your actions might influence other people. All right? Yo, fire upon all of that. Big up on yourself still.
Alright, drunken story. The first time I was truly drunk, right? Long time ago when before it named Dream Weekend, when it was just ATI, right? Me and my brother them got to Daydreams, you know, that's the all-white party. First time I ever truly start drink Appleton. I start drink about 4 glasses of Appleton, 5 glasses of Appleton. The party there on the beach. At first I was in the middle of the party and 2-2s, I realized me the in the water, way over so, I'm feared out, can't even swim, I'm drunk. Ambulance have to come for me, take me out of the party. The ambulance take me to the parking lot for bring me go to my yard. But then time I wake up now, so I just run go back in the party and party again. Drunk off myself. Police come for me, take me out of Daydream. No, don't take me out of Daydream. Bring me go back in the parking lot. Police look around 2 times. I go back in the party again. Go 4 or 5 times. I drunk off. Rest up a little bit. Go on back in the party again, yo. My brethren right there, so him take me back in the party, yo. I with that. Him should have take me home. But him take me back in the party, yo.
Me need to do me a favor. Tell the people they have to drink responsibly.
Yeah, drink responsibly, yeah? It's when you're young. Drink and then drink a water. That's the key. Drink 1 drink, drink a water. Drink 1 drink, drink a water. Or keep it to the red stripe. If you can't manage Appleton, drink the red stripe. Yeah, drink the red stripe.
Yo, Appleton Poppy, big up yourself in the boss.
Big up yourself in the yard.
Right, I know, you know. Can't even say it in the watch, you know. Kids drink responsibly, you see me? About 20 years back. Yeah, about 22 years back. End up in my neighbor bed. Next door. Come in drunk. Don't know myself. Yeah. My moment of rum, I'm drunk in that. Trust me. Very devastated.
Yeah.
Never make it happen again, though.
Yeah, no. All right, what about you, bossy?
So when me there you take, we go fresh as fit kind of thing. Beat liquor and be, I know a fresh as fit man new to the campus, so I be a foolishness.
Yeah.
And I beat the rum the night. And I go my bed. And I tell you when I rise, you know you go bed about 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
So about 6 o'clock, you hold and my belly start dash way in a brother. And when me look, if you come off my bed too far, so me just dash you up on the bed and cover it up with the pillow. But if you make it worse, my girlfriend live on campus. So she come over the boat in 10 o'clock. And I tell her, say, nobody lie down on the bed right now, because it not go work. I don't know if she see what go on, but me dash everything on the bed and just sleep in it.
Yo, people that remember, you know, out of all them stories, I just remember, drink responsibly.
That is the last thing I want to leave with the crowd. Say, we have learned from that, and now we are drinking responsibly. So tonight we're enjoying some signature blend.
Yes.
But me have to go drive, and him have go drive.
Yes.
So right now we're doing so responsibly, and we didn't whole heap of self-control and whole heap of temperament and all these things. But God bless the rum. Then we shall gather at the river. Beautiful, beautiful river. We shall gather at the river where the river flow at
You have any drunken stories they remember they can talk about?
Oh crap, I don't think I can really tell you about this one. It happened when I was 5.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
All right, so what happened is this.
What?
It happened when I was 5. So my dad's friend was drinking. My dad wasn't around. He left his liquor on the table. I started drinking it.
Yo, you better tell the people if you drink responsibly.
And then I never drink again.
All right. Yo, drink responsibly.
That's right. You should never drink
All right.
if you're under 18.
I went to an event, got drunk.
Yeah.
I went to the roadside to make a phone call.
Yeah.
I woke up the next morning on the roadside.
What?
Phone gone.
What?
Wallet gone.
What?
It's just a vibe.
It's just a oh. Yo, that wild still. What about you, my dear?
So guys, I don't think I have any PG moments, I think I kind of have one. I don't have any, so all I'll say is drink responsibly. It's not for kids. It's not for kids. It's for kids. Drink responsibly, sir.
I was young when this happened. I was just 18. I was just 18. I was young.
All right. So Chris, talk to me.
Well, okay, this one happened at Taboo. Kids don't do this.
Wait, hold on. She said taboo. Let me get up right beside you. Talk to me. What going in a taboo?
Okay, my night really started off. Wow, she's giving the whole story, guys. At Rebase, and I drank a little bit too much scotch, so I ended up dancing on tables. And you know, I just remember being on Taboo and dancing with some strippers. Like, just don't do this. Like, don't drink scotch, don't drink Appleton. Guys, drink responsibly. Don't be like me. It was in the past. I'm not doing it like that anymore. But it was fun when you're of age. I'm 22.
When you have age,
yeah.
Remember,
be of age.
Drink responsibly.
Yeah.
Don't wake up on roadside.
Yes.
All right.
End up on tabletops and
Don't
shit
end up
like
on
that.
tabletops.
No, don't do that.
Thank you very.
Or stripper poles, guys. Or stripper poles.
I have a confession. I myself have a wild drunken story. So for the people that have been following me from a long time ago,
yes,
them know say it was 2016 in December, and it was MVP, and Spice was there.
I remember. Continue. Oh.
And
she's one of your persons that's been following you for quite some time now, because she remembers.
So Spice was actually on 4-man on stage, and me with my well-drunk self, off a Ray and him nephew, jump on stage. And then Spice said, Rebel, go theme.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
That was just know said 2 days after my body that killed me.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, rebel. All right.
You call your friends, cause not for them to snake them. Feeling jealousy, and they will let you down. Whoa, Lord, and keep an eye out for the ones you call your family. Them laugh at you today, pretend them genuine, no Lord, and they will let you down.
Choose to tread the road, you know. Well, want me tell you, if you are tonight, carry this heart of a Gavi, carry the fire of a Melchizedek. When your mind get a chance to present, you might have no past it present. So, not take them last up your fast. Want it fast and them last every cent. So we go back to the ancient ways, and those secrets that remained unchanged. Mentally get unchained, I want go long. Hey, Sevana, what you say?
Stay true to the things you know are right. Nothing worth the game, you are tamed by sun and fly. Say when I look at me from coming from, looking back at me the journey begun, I really have to say I'm strong. All praises to the most high one. Look at me from coming from, looking. I just wanna see y'all do like this, come on, man. I really have to say that I'm strong.
Now, people there, may I tell you the God truth? Rum Fest, did lit. All right? Of course, the main message of tonight is to drink responsibly. All right, we had Noami Cowan, we had Protoje, Lila Ike, Sevana. You see me? I say, yo, ding dong, shell the place, yo, people. Right now, I just want to go on my bed and go sleep. All right, this was my first rum fest that I've ever covered. And honestly, more forward back again, the way the place is lit. People them, rum fest is shot. That's all I can say. And guess what? That was only day one. Day 1+1. Tomorrow, we're out.